Hi folks, this is the Colonel with you. What we're going to do here today is I made one of these up the other day, and my buddy Paul Moritz down there in South Africa wants me to make him one.
Really?
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up here and try to make the mold. I don't have the silver right now, but it's a couple of days. Okay, folks, we got it all packed up here. What we're going to do, we're going to powder its little hiney.
No wonder I can't find the other stocking.
And we're going to put this in here upside down.
What way did you have it the other time?
Upside down.
Mm.
Okay. We'll
Why don't you brush that off?
no, we're going to set that up. We'll be back with you. Okay, folks, we got the second side on here. We're going to take it apart and see what we got.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. I'm going to set that right up there.
Those look like shit.
Need my Terrell knife.
I need the power washer.
You need the power washer?
Yeah, is it in the house still?
Yeah, it's in the back room. It's in my, in the ringery.
The ringery?
The ringery, yeah.
I got bleach. What are you sitting like that for? You pussy doggy. That's a stick I'm not throwing at. No. That's a twig. Where's a stick? About this big. Go now. Look at yourself. Do your belly. You come here.
Okay. We're going to try a little. We got hot glue. It's Mr. Magglue, Mr. Magglue.
Hey, wait me. I'm looking at. Wait me.
Damn, I can't get shit off my fingers. I got boogie on my finger and I can't take it off.
She just bit me. Eat your scrawny butt. You are Mr. McGlue. Half the time you can't see.
Mr. Magglue.
Look what you've done to my glue gun. I'm burning the tip.
Unplug it now. Oops. That was my lights.
Are you going to stick something on it before it gets too hard?
Yep. I got my
The nail.
screw right up here.
Get it off the pumpkin. What are you gagging on? Dog. Why is it still on the pumpkin?
Huh?
Why is the glue still there?
Oh, it comes right off. Oh, sorry folks, I didn't mean to leave the camera on while the glue's drying, but like
Oh,
the hot glue peels right off.
cool.
Pretty good stuff. Okay, well, since we went this long, we'll let it go. Let me see how we're doing here.
I don't see nothing moving. Ooh, and it takes off.
One space shuttle. one space shuttle. We'll I'll close this back up.
David.
Huh?
Nothing. You only have one side dug out?
Yes, one side.
I don't know, I'm just asking.
I need my pinchies.
They're behind you.
They're behind me.
You weren't ready. You should have had your stuff over here. When you do that, you push this away, you know.
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
Well, this will draw it in. Okay, folks, that's step one. Next one will be over here at the table. Pouring some silver. We'll see as now. Thanks, Alice.
Not a problem, buddy.
Okay, talk to you later. Okay, folks, from some stroke of luck, we found a couple pieces. These little runners and sprues. And we got this. Oh, ain't he beautiful? You're the rooster. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna go ahead and make this space shuttle up. We'll be right back with you. Okay, we got everything up to temperature here. We're gonna roll. We'll keep the heat on it. Let's see how we did. It's still flaming. That should have been a little more than that, but we got a big lump stuck on the melting dish. Okay, we're gonna let this cool. We'll be back with you. Okay, folks, let's crack this egg and see what we got here. Oh, separate, come on. Come on, separate. Wow, I'm liking it. I don't know, it looks a lot better than the other one. Let me, still smoking, but I'm gonna pop this bad boy out of here. I still got a little divot in the nose. Maybe I should do something with that. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. Ah, damn it. Let me cool it off where I can handle it. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, this is it. I got a little divot here in the nose, and the other one had that too. I'm gonna have to think about something, maybe put a little runner down off of that so it goes down and has the bubble at the bottom of the runner. Looks pretty good. The motors look better, a lot better on this one than the first one. You can see the windows and stuff. Pretty nice, Paul. I'll get this cleaned up and we'll show it to you. We gotta go. We're running long. Okay, folks, here we go. Paul, This is your space shuttle. Let me clean him up a little bit. He looks a lot better than the other one. I think I was short on that. This one looks like more of a full cast. Should have a little string hung on it. Okay, that's that. But like what I wanted to show you, what I'm working on besides that, that you're well aware of, is we're doing that jigsaw series. Let me, maybe I can get you down here a little bit. Let me get you a little lower. I don't know. Tell me if that works. Let me get this thing centered here. Okay, Paul. Here we go. This is your copper. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. This here is number 10. Like you can have this when I cleaned it up and it's ready to be gold plated. Or you can wait and I'll make another one and we can pick out which one you like best. This is the silver. It's silver, enameled by Ivan Rash. You have one of those. And this is, I don't want to touch that with my damn dirty hands. This is what the gold plate will look like. So when it's all said and done, you'll have a copper, a silver, an enameled silver, and a gold plated. And this little airplane, I need to figure out how to stamp him. Okay, that's about it. This thing is long as the dickens anyhow. We're gonna get out of here. Talk to yous later.